Hi guys, it's Chloe. Welcome back to another video. Today I have the next subscription box from the Positive Teacher Company. This comes out every 2 months. It's £20. It's an absolute bargain. It's amazing. They very kindly gifted me this, so I'm very thankful and I can't wait to get inside and have a look. We've got the sticker on the front. So if you don't know what these do, you collect these and the more you collect, the more prizes you win. So they've got like a bingo thing happening at the moment, so make sure to check that out. Right, let's see, let's get stuck into this. I have another parcel from them as well, which I think may be my diary for next year, but that'll be in another video to show you there. I actually don't know the theme of this box. I think it's going to be all rainbows. If it is, that's fantastic. My whole classroom is filled with rainbows. So this will be perfect. From looking at the colours underneath here, I think it's going to be rainbow. Fingers crossed. Let's open it up and have a look. Ooh, okay, yeah, I think it is. Oh, wow. Look at the colour of that box already. Just look at the colours. Amazing. Okay. I'm going to very quickly take out all the discount codes that are exclusive to this box, and then I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I've taken the discount code out for this month. So each box comes with a discount code. So this month you got, oh, not a discount code this month, you get a free washi tape. That's really cool. Okay, this is what is included in your box. If you want to pause here and have a read, there you go. There's that. And now let's start having a look. So, first of all, we've got Better Days Are Coming. Oh, that's lovely. What was the theme of the box as well? Be kind to yourself. I get it now. Better Days Are Coming. That is really nice. That's a lovely badge to have. Then we've got a beautiful rainbow pencil. Can never have too many pencils. Then I've got a Be Kind to Yourself. This is a bookmark. I love the bookmarks that they do. The ones they've had in the past boxes, I use those in my planners, in my actual reading books that I'm reading, class readers. These are lovely. So I love the fact it's some rainbow ones. So I'll use that for my class reader. Then we've got, okay, weekly planner. I currently have, the one I've got is their like normal desk rip-off pad. So I will be swapping it for this one. This is amazing. Goals for the week, something I'm doing for me. That's really nice because sometimes we get so caught up on what we're doing in the classroom and we don't focus on something for me that week. So that'll be nice. And actually, this is a nice notepad that you can use for anything. It doesn't actually have to be a teacher pad. Very much like that. Let's look here next. Be kind to yourself. Beautiful little card, that's lovely. Again with the rainbow on the back and an envelope to pop it in. That would be nice to send to somebody else. Although this box is all about kindness to yourself, this would be nice for somebody else. When someone else needs a little pickup. 100 things to do in a tough day. On a tough day. Wow. Oh, this is really cool. All different ideas of things to do when you're having a tough day. Right, let's look at one. Bake something. That is so true. I bought those bottles that come with all the baking stuff inside, and whenever I do those, I love doing it, and it's a really nice activity to do. Let some natural sunlight come in. Yeah, I have to remember that sometimes in my class. Pull the blinds up and let the natural light come in. That's really nice. Colour your hair. You can always dye it back. Temporary hair dye. That's the way forward for that. I love these. Buy someone lunch. Aww. Or let someone buy you lunch. That would be really nice, wouldn't it? That's really nice. I love that book. I'm going to keep that on my desk for when I need it. Okay, let's see what we've got in here. I think these might be praise cards or postcards. Kind people are my kind of people. Oh, these are sweet. Oh, at my school, we look at learner profiles, and one of the learner profiles is being caring. So this will be really nice when I want to send home a postcard for someone that's been caring. Kind people are my kind of people. Love those. The colours on them. So pretty. Okay. A little gift. Oh, this last gift is a little... Come on, Chloe, read. It's been a long day. This last gift is extra special. Ooh. Okay, I'm just reading this here. It's the little things. As experienced teachers ourselves, we know how much the little things can mean. That's why in each TPTC postbox, you'll receive a sealed TPTC gift to pass on to a colleague or a friend. Ah, this is the one that I always go, I like it myself, and I'm going to end up keeping it. Let's open it and see what's inside it. And then you get another little one just to write a note on. And then I can decide if this month I'm actually going to use it how it should be used and pass it on. Oh, that's sweet. The Positive Teacher Gratitude Journal. And it's got all different bits inside. Lovely little bits that you can write about each month. You can have a little photo in of a highlight from the month. Oh, that's really sweet. Maybe I should this month gift it to someone at my school. I think I will this month. I should really do what it says to do. The trouble is, I like all the stuff and I think I really want to keep it and use it for myself. Anyways, on to the last one. We've got stickers. My kids absolutely love the Positive Teacher Company stickers. Absolutely love them. Every morning they come in, they're like, oh, which sticker sheet have you got out today? Which ones are we going to try and earn? So these ones, again, kind people are my kind of people. Again, this is linking really nicely with the caring. When children are being caring, I can award these out. So let's recap what we got. The stickers. We got the gratitude journal to give to somebody else. We got the rainbow pencil. We got the praise cards or postcards. The little booklet of 100 things to do on tough days. The gorgeous card. The weekly planner. I think this is my favourite from this box. The weekly planner. The bookmark. The badge. And of course, not to forget, the discount, not discount code, the code in order to get a free washi tape. So this is all that you get in this box. It's amazing. It is a fantastic box. Again, there's lots of things in here that are aimed at teachers, but there's nothing on here that makes you have to buy this box only if you're a teacher. You can buy this box if you're not a teacher. There's nothing inside here that is stopping you from using any of this anywhere else. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, guys. This was such a fun unboxing. I think this one was my favourite one so far, just purely because this is going to match perfectly with my classroom. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, guys, and I will see you again soon, and I'll see you for the next unboxing that I'm just about to film. See you later, guys. Bye.